weird, man, because when you take a woman out, man, you have got to spend some money on her. You've got to impress her. In fact, guys, if you're on a first date, when you take your woman out, you need to use a credit card to impress her. Because, ladies, this is the way it's supposed to work. What a guy's supposed to do is he's supposed to take you to a really nice, expensive restaurant. He's supposed to whip out the plastic and then hope like hell it doesn't get declined. Am I right? Now, ladies, when a guy spends so much money on you that he puts the date on a credit card, I'm not saying that you have to put out at the end of the night. But if a date's done right, it's like that MasterCard commercial you guys have seen on TV, you know? The one that's like flowers, $40. Steak and lobster dinner, $100. Movie tickets, $15. Maxing out your credit card on a woman you hardly know and getting a kiss on the cheek at the end of the night?
Priceless.
Bullshit. I'm sorry, bro, but I'm financing this date at 18.99%, alright? The least she can do at the end of the night is lick my nuts. Yeah. We don't gotta get intimate. It's all good, you know? It's just that every woman wants something different in a relationship. And the hard part for guys is figuring out what women want, right, bro?
Yeah.
It's hard for us, man. I'll tell you what. I went to a nightclub. I saw this girl. She was wearing a cowboy hat and jeans and all that. And I thought, you know what? She looks pretty. I'll ask her to dance. I was cool about it. I went up to her. I'm like, hey, how you doing? My name's Jessie. Nice to meet you. Hi. Would you like to dance with me? I couldn't believe what she said, man. She looked me up and down and goes, do you have a big penis? Dude, I freaked out. I was like, what, to dance with? She looked me in the eye and goes, look, man, if you want to dance with me, you better have a big gun. Do you understand what I'm saying? You better have a big gun. Do you know what I mean? So I was like, yeah, I guess you want a big gun because you've got a big holster.